A battle for the lead. Rude in the Pinto. Dives to the inside. Evink holds him off. Steven Erickson Jr. in the 68 makes his way past Russell into third spot. Frankie Baldowski in the purple and black 61 works the inside of the 55 with Shannon Stoltz. Rude looks to the inside of Evink for the lead for spot. Evink holds off. Rude dives to the bottom again. The 33 back on the field, Tim Finstead. The 68, Steve Erickson Jr. has caught the two leaders. We'll have a battle for the lead. 10 laps in out of this 25-lap main event. The battle for fourth spot. All three cars throw a blanket over them. Erickson caught to the lead draft. Now to the rear bumper of the 9 car. Russell, Stoltz, Beldowski battling it out for the 4th spot. Your top 3. 10 laps to go. We got a spin in turn 4, the 55 of Shannon Stoltz. He's up and running. Green flag stays out. The leaders cross the line. Evink stretches the lead out. Erickson closes the door. Time beginning to run out. Beldowski now to the inside of Russell. Leaders starting to trade paint. Erickson shoots to the inside, gets a little loose, recovers. Still a great battle with Frankie Baldowski in the 61 and David Russell on that 8. Side by side they go. Beldowski sideways. Gives the position to David Russell in the 8 car. Shannon Stoltz in the 55. Although he's down a lap, wants to come back and play with that party. Erickson looks to the inside of Aaron Rude. The battle for second. The battle for second, side by side as they enter the 1 to go. Eving with a good lead. The battle now for second. Beldowski back up to the inside of David Russell in the 8 car, but to the line. Who's it going to be? Kelly Eving, Aaron Rude, Stevie Erickson Jr. Here it is for third spot, fourth spot. Russell holds off the 61 of Frank Beldowski. Melody Boyle will take 6th. And Shannon Stoltz comes home in 7th, 1 lap down. Hey, there he is. He's crawling out of the car. Let's hear it for Kelly Eving, tonight's American Short Tracker feature winner.